Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Talks. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to replace the rear air suspension on a BMW 740e. If your car has a sagging rear end or an uneven ride, chances are the air suspension needs replacement. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's talk about the tools you'll need. You'll need a jack and jack stands, a socket set, a pry bar, and of course, a replacement air spring or air strut. Also, make sure you have safety gloves and goggles. Now, safety first. Always make sure your car is on a level surface and properly fitted supported before working underneath it. You don't want any accidents while replacing the suspension. All right, let's start by disconnecting the car's battery to avoid any electrical issues. Next, we need to release the air pressure from the suspension system. You can do this by accessing the air suspension compressor and carefully letting the air out. Now, jack up the car and remove the rear wheel to get better access. Once that's done, locate the air line connected to the air spring and carefully disconnect it. Be gentle as you don't want to damage the line. After that, unbolt the old air spring or strut and remove it from the car. Now that we have the old suspension out, it's time to install the new one. First, position the new air spring or strut in place. Make sure it's aligned properly before bolting it in. Once secured, reconnect the airline and ensure it's tightly fitted. After that, reassemble everything by putting the wheel back on and lowering the car. Now, reconnect the battery and start the car. You should hear the air compressor kicking in to pressurize the system. Before calling it a day, it's important to check for leaks, listen carefully for any hissing sounds, which could indicate air escaping. If everything sounds good, take the car for a short drive and check if it sits level and rides smoothly. If all looks great, then congratulations, you've successfully replaced your rear air suspension. And that's it. That's how you replace the rear air suspension on a BMW 740e. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Talks, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.